On the job page in the Exchange app, tap the blue arrow on the right to open the job. Here we have an example of a job with both iOLM and EtherBERT tests. Let's launch the iOLM test first. In the iOLM app, press Start to start the acquisition. Once it's completed, switch to the NetBlazer app to start the EtherBERT test. Once the report is generated, go back to the iOLM app and start the acquisition for the next circuit. Once the test is completed, switch to the NetBlazer app and start the EtherBERT test for the second circuit. Once the report is generated, you can switch to Exchange, and you will see that all results are associated with the right circuits. Here is another example with iOptics and fiber inspection tests. Let's execute the iOptics test for the first circuit. Once the test point is active, switch to the NetBlazer app and select the iOptics test application. Once the application is ready, start the iOptics test. When the test is completed, go back to the Exchange app. Wait a couple of seconds for the test to appear. Now let's inspect the fiber by launching the ConnectorMax application. In ConnectorMax, tap Start Test to capture the image. Once the analysis is completed, you can press the Exchange icon to go back to the Exchange app. You can now see that both results are associated with the same circuit. You are now ready to test and inspect the second circuit. To learn more about EXFO Exchange, visit docs.exfoexchange.com.